What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a custom WordPress login, WordPress registration page into your site for free without coding. So you may have noticed that WordPress have this not so nice WordPress login page, and it's really quite boring and without options for customization. So how to change this for free is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword, we're gonna find a field called Search Plugins. Right here, we're gonna type Theme My Login. Theme My Login. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your WordPress website. There is nothing to do right here, but now, if you review the left sidebar menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Theme My Login. Click on it. Right here, we're gonna be able to set the full options, okay? Login type, default, username only, email only, registration type, default or email only. Allow users to set their own password. Auto login, automatic login users after registration. Up to you, okay? You can set. Now, dashboard, the plugin gonna create you a couple of pages, okay? A couple of pages that you can customize, okay? Imagine that I would like to customize the login page now. Let me just save my changes to save the changes we made. Right here. Let's move to our page. Right here, we can create a new page to be the public website login, for example. So click on Add New Page. And basically, we can customize this page in the way that we want. All we have to do is make sure that on this page we add one of these shortcodes. The first one, Theme My Login. Pause the video to copy. Click right here. Add this page a title, for example, login page. You can, for example, enter with a 2 columns layout. Enter with columns, 2 columns. Into the first one, we're gonna search for shortcode and enter with the first shortcode, Theme My Login. Now we're gonna have the login forms into this page. Then we're gonna click into this other plus button to add a block. Once again, search for shortcodes and grab this shortcode right here, okay? The register, okay? This is gonna apply the registration form on your site. So copy, place the registration form. Now, of course, you can create other parts of layouts. For example, social icons, maybe. We can share some social media icons into our site right here. And of course, we can be doing the layouts that we want. Let me save change. Let's preview the page. And of course, now the limit is your creativity. Different from the WordPress page that have this not so nice login, we can now upload our logo type right here into the bottom, into the top, upload our media icons, upload links to other pages where we can add, for example, the lost password form or the reset password form, okay? So we can customize things in the way that we want, and now you are free because you have this as a simple short code. So applying some image, some icons, some custom buttons, applying some background colors, now you can customize your page in the way that you want. And remember, this works with Elementor as well, so you can place this code into your Elementor text editor, for example, or WP Bakery, or any other kind of page builder that I use. I prefer to use the WordPress default page builder to share with you into a more general installation, but you can edit with Elementor and use the same way. Simple, easy, fast, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the publish button to save your page, okay? Or hit the update button to update your page, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can promote your blog. You can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can submit your site, your game, your app design, your solution, anything that you want to promote can be submitted right here. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, themes, and many, many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.